Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and today I want to go over a couple of things that's very important to your emergency kits, to your bug out kits, to your survival kits, okay? Survival bags, anything that has to do with emergencies, anything that has to do with preparedness. Um, these are a couple of items that are highly underrated and not very thought of. Communications and information. Okay. Now, this is the UV-5G Baofeng GMRS radio. And with this, you got pretty much everything covered. And you really don't need that. Okay. This has a AM FM radio. It has the weather channel, NOAA radio weather channel, and it is solar powered. It is hand crank. It's got AM FM radio. It's got a flashlight, and so this is more like a backup to that. And the reason I say that is because this also has a radio, weather channel, and everything else. But this allows you to communicate with others around you and even people further away. Okay, this is not an ordinary walkie talkie. A GMRS radio is like a step below a ham radio. All right. It allows you to go further, way beyond range of a ordinary walkie-talkie. You can talk to someone in the next state over with something like this. Okay. Now you do have to get a license through the FCC, which is very easy to do. You just go on their website, click out, go find the form to fill out, send in your check for, I think it's around $30 for 10 years. Okay. The permit license is good for 10 years, and it's good for the whole household, people in your immediate family. Okay. So I strongly suggest you look into GMRS radios. Please look it up in the YouTubes, study up on it, and get yourself one of these. I will leave a link in the description below for the exact model I have here. Give you an example of basically what you can do with this thing. Is it gives you two channels up and down, so you can talk to two people at a time. You know, you could be talking to one person on one channel, and you could be talking to another person on another channel. All right, so very valuable thing to do. Here you got a radio button. Okay, and here if you press the 0 button down.
Memphis, partly sunny, 82. Oak Ridge, clear, 74. Tri-Cities, mostly cloudy.
So you're talking about an invaluable tool here to be able to communicate with others during an emergency, to get information about the weather during an emergency, to get entertainment and also information through the regular radio. It's just invaluable to have. Okay. This is something that you might want to use during a storm, to keep up with information, or during a disaster. Okay. So also, if you put one of these in a survival kit and you happen to get stranded, it's excellent for reaching out for help and getting yourself self-rescued. Also, this is good for if you are in a rural area and your car breaks down and there's no cell phone service. You could go into your trunk and break out your emergency kit or survival kit, and if you have one of these in there, you can use this instead of a cell phone, because your cell phone has no reception. Okay, so a really good thing to have And I strongly suggest everyone to get it, because the more people who get this will make this more valuable for people. Because if more people use it, that means this becomes more useful. Okay, because more people will be tuning in, and there's more people to talk to. All right, so I cannot suggest more strongly to get this. This is something that you should look into getting. It's very inexpensive. You can get a pair of these for only, right now, I think their pair of these are going for $39 maybe. Yeah, I'll like I said, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Also, why I have one of these, I know this is cheap, and it doesn't cost much. I think you can get one of these. This one here was around $16. Why not have it? Okay, electronics, your cell phone, your radio, emergency radio, your smartwatch, or your flashlights. They all need recharging. Okay, and best way to do it, because eventually, even if you have a power brick or a charging brick, whatever, and even if you have a generator, all those things run out of fuel, all those things run out of charge, and at the end of the day, you have to wind yourself back up. And even though this may take forever just to get you up to maybe 10 or 15 or even 20% power, at least that is just enough maybe to get you that one phone call. Maybe it's just enough for you to get that next message that you needed. A little bit of something is better than absolutely nothing. All right. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Again, please look in the descriptions down below and get yourself one of these. I mean, if you can buy a $50, $60, $80 knife, a knife you probably don't need because you have like 100 of them, spend $30 to $40 on one of these. You get two of them, and you can maybe get more than two of them, and just put one of these in each survival bag, emergency kits, roadside kit, whatever, and always be prepared. Thanks for watching. See you next time.